Dok sa atin na Santa na part dito po sa Nay Cavite, Bayang Karerista, kayo ang bida.
The race is on. It's a jump start beginning for Cat May. From the outside is Elusive Wind. Big Packet is running by. The rally is Black Parade. Temptress, Lamshot, Be Cool, Hot Gossip. 1A, Elusive Wind by about 2 lengths, followed by Black Parade by Darrell. Temptress in between runners alongside for this Big Packet. Cat May racing in fifth by about 3 lengths. Then comes Lamshot, Hot Gossip, and Be Cool is now running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, the outstanding favorite, 1A, Elusive Wind, by about 2 lengths, followed now by Big Packet in second. Temptress racing by Darrell, Black Parade, and Cat May. As they race to final corner, 1A, Elusive Wind by about 3 lengths, followed by Big Packet in second. Cat May, Danori inside, Black Parade, Slam Shot, and nearing the finish line, Pati Ramos Dilemma on 1A, Elusive Wind, coming home with 4 lengths lead over Cat May, Big Packet, Slam Shot,